Blackout Bingo Autoplay can stop working when the feature is unavailable for the selected game, disabled after an update, or affected by a temporary app problem. By the end, you'll know what to check first, how to reset the app safely, and what to do if autoplay still doesn't appear. Start by checking the game mode itself. Blackout Bingo does not necessarily make every feature available in every game or situation. So open the game you normally use, and look for the autoplay control before changing anything on your phone. If the button is missing completely, switch to another available game or mode, and check whether the control appears there. If the button is visible but tapping it does nothing, completely close Blackout Bingo, and open it again. On Android, open Settings, select Apps, find Blackout Bingo, choose Storage, and use Clear Cache. This removes temporary app data, without deleting your account information. Then launch the app and test autoplay again. On iPhone, iOS does not provide a separate Clear Cache button for individual apps. Instead, close Blackout Bingo from the app switcher and reopen it. If the problem continues, check the App Store for an available Blackout Bingo update. The next thing to check is your connection. Autoplay can depend on the game maintaining a connection with Blackout Bingo's servers, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and test the feature again. If other parts of the game are also failing to load, the problem may not be limited to autoplay. If autoplay worked previously and stopped immediately after a Blackout Bingo update, avoid repeatedly reinstalling the app before checking that your account is properly connected. If you use an account login, make sure you know the correct sign-in method before removing the app. There is also a simple test that can narrow this down. Open a different game mode and check whether autoplay works there. If it works in one mode but not another, the issue is probably related to feature availability rather than your phone. So, the key checks are simple. Confirm autoplay is available in the current game. Restart Blackout Bingo. Clear its cache on Android or update the app on iPhone. And test another connection or game mode. Your next step is to check the autoplay control in another available game before reinstalling anything. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.